Hey Kipsters, this is lesson 1 of our unit on fractions. This is the homework. So let's take a look at number 1 on the first page. It asks us to draw a number bond and write a number sentence to match the decomposition of a fraction. So we know that decomposition, like a dead body breaking down, means to break it down into our smaller parts. So here I can see that I have my fraction that's shaded in, and I know that the whole tape diagram represents one whole, and it's been split into 1, 2, 3 pieces. So if we split it into 3 pieces, it means that my denominator is going to be 3, and that each piece equals 1/3, because it's 1 out of the 3 pieces. And so this is called a unit fraction, because the numerator is 1, and it represents 1 unit out of the total. So this is 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. But here we only have 2 pieces shaded in. So our total, we know, is 2/3 because 2 out of the 3 pieces are shaded in. And we can make that by doing 1/3 plus 1/3. So in our number bond, we have 2/3 equals 1/3 plus 1/3. All right, let's take a look at F because it looks a little bit different. So here in F, all of my boxes are shaded in, but my tape diagram is longer than the piece that indicates one whole. So the one whole piece goes from here to the end of this bracket, and I can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. So if my whole is broken into 5 pieces, I know my denominator is 5, and each piece is 1/5, or the unit fraction 1/5. So here I've got 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, and I've got this extra 1/5 on the end. So how many fifths do I have altogether? Let's count them up. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know my total is going to be 6 fifths. And I just need to break this down into a number sentence. So I could do 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's my whole, plus 1 extra fifth. But we learned today that it doesn't have to be all broken down into the unit fractions. So there are a bunch of different ways to do it. But another way I could do it would be to chunk off this piece, the one whole, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fifths, plus this 1 extra fifth on the end, all to get 6 fifths. And if I were to show this in a number bond, my total would be the total amount shaded, which is 6 fifths, and I split it into 2 pieces. I split it into 5 fifths and 1/5. And when I put them together, I get 6 fifths. All right, good luck.